Hi everybody, I'm Bob Kovacs, and we recently put in this kitchen with this new faucet that has a pull-out handle that we found had a problem where sometimes it wouldn't pull out all the way. This is super frustrating because, of course, you want it to be able to reach all parts of the sink, and when it can't pull out all the way, you can't reach all parts of the sink. So I realized what was happening by looking under the sink, and I came up with a solution. I got a piece of 1¼ inch pipe. Now that's about 32 millimeters in metric. I cut a slot in the back, and now I'll show you where it goes to fix this problem. Slip the slot in the tube over the hose that runs up to the faucet, then slide the tube down so it covers the valve. To make sure the pipe stays in place, I took a hose clamp, put that around the top of the pipe, and then snugged it up just a little. You don't have to tighten it too hard, just hard enough that the clamp won't come off the pipe. Then position the pipe so it hangs naturally, and pull out the faucet hose so it's where it normally goes. With the pipe in place, the spray handle pulls out normally, and you can see what it looks like under the sink as I yank on the spray handle. And that's all it took to fix the problem. A 4-inch piece of 1¼ PVC pipe, and cut a slot in it, and also a basic hose clamp that you can get at an auto parts store or a hardware store. Hey everybody, this is Bob Kovacs. Thanks for watching.